how can we install Python to your machine so we can start coding in Python. Hello everyone and welcome to this session of programming with Python. Now in this session we will see, so let's head over to Google and just type Python install, and if I run this, we have a download Python option. We open it. So here we are at a site python.org, and the latest version of the Python is Python 3.10.2. Now this tutorial is going to be for the Windows version, so I will download this, and since I have already downloaded this, then I will open the installer. After it, we are going to select the install now option and Python will install. Let's give it a minute. Okay, the Python is installed in our machine. Now let's just close the setup and head over to the command prompt and write cmd and open the command prompt of your system, and afterward write py. Py stands for Python, and if you will run this, you will see that here we are showing that Python 3.10.2, that is the current version of our Python installed. And now our Python interpreter is open in the command prompt, and now if I perform some operations, let's say arithmetic operation like 2 plus 2, and enter it, we will get 4 as an output. Similarly, if I write 6 minus 6, and again I will get 0 as an output. And to exit from the Python interpreter, we just have to write exit and enter, and we are again in our main directory of the command prompt.